In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the radius on Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to round the corners of an image so it looks clean, consistent, and ready for your design. First, open Figma and head into the file where you want to work. You can use the desktop app or the browser version. They behave the same for this task. Make sure you're in the correct page or frame, and zoom in enough to clearly see the edges of your image once you place it. A tidy workspace helps you judge the radius accurately. Next, add your image to the canvas. You can drag and drop it in, or use Figma's image placement tool if that's part of your workflow. Once the image is on the canvas, click it to make sure the layer is selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box around the image. If you're working within a frame or layout, it's a good idea to position the image roughly where it will live so you can preview the rounding in context. Now for the radius itself. With the image selected, look for the small circular handles that appear inside the corners of the bounding box. These are your live corner radius controls. Click one of those corner widgets and drag inward. As you drag, the image corners will round in real time, giving you an instant preview of the effect. Keep dragging until the corners match the style you're after, subtle rounding for a modern UI, or larger rounding if you want a softer, friendlier look. If the handles feel small, zoom in a bit so your cursor movement is precise. You can release the mouse at any point to check the result, and then click and drag again to fine-tune. If all corners move together, that's expected. You're adjusting a uniform radius that applies consistently across the image. A few quick tips as you dial it in. Choose a radius that complements the rest of your components. Common values like 4, 8, or 12 pixels often align well with design systems, while larger values can create pill-like or circular silhouettes depending on your image's aspect ratio. If you push the radius very high, the corners will become dramatically rounded, which may be perfect for avatars or card thumbnails. The rounding is non-destructive, so your original image isn't altered, and it will export with the rounded corners intact. If you go too far, simply drag the handle back toward the corner to reduce the radius, or use undo to step back. That's it. Open Figma, add your image, and drag the corner handles to set the radius. Simple, fast, and clean.